Hello, welcome to Mindful Yoga today. One of my goals for everybody who's doing these videos is to become strong and confident and more flexible, and of course to do more yoga. In order to do that, we've got to practice these poses, and really that is the whole point of me doing these tutorials, is that you get better at them. You have better form, and therefore better confidence and better routines. One of the things we're going to focus on today is the seated wide angle forward fold. Sounds like a lot, man, it can be so powerful, but it takes a lot of practice and a lot of patience with yourself. So let's go ahead and get started. You may want to have a blanket near you, just so you can have something to either put your hands on or your chest on. And as we continue to practice, you'll see how you can modify this pose to get better at it, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and turn to the side just so you can see from this angle what it looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and I can either start in a cobbler's pose, or I can just go ahead and get right into that pose, whatever is easiest for you. So you're gonna want to feel confident. Your back should be straight. You make any adjustments that you need to. It should be subtle, not extreme. And I just want you to sit here. Just take a couple of breaths here. Inhale and exhale. So remember, you're breathing in through the nose for 3 and out for 3 or 4, whatever is most comfortable for you. Just feel confident and comfortable in the pose. So if you're like, all right, you can probably stretch a little bit further, but again, it's at your level. So we're going to inhale and exhale. Let's do that one more time. Inhale. I can put my hands behind me. Really want to feel nice, firmly planted into the ground. Inhale and exhale. I'm going to keep my blanket nearby. One of the things that I really want to stress is that this is not how far you can go. This is about building strength and confidence into the pose as you are doing routines. I can't tell you how often I see people doing this or doing this, and then they're stressing their neck, their shoulders, their backs, and they're wondering why, oh, this just hurts, and I know I'm not feeling good. And it's because your body is not ready for it. And then you don't have the right form, which actually can cause injury. So we want to take it slow. So as we are coming forward into this wide-seated forward, then we want to make sure that, again, we keep our backs straight, okay? We can use our hands to come forward. We just want to take our time. So it's great to have this blanket here because we can practice leaning on the blanket too. So as we come forward, we inhale first and exhale, calm down just a little bit more. Maybe you're gonna have your blanket folded, maybe you have a pillow, but I would recommend a blanket. And you're just gonna put your elbows on that blanket. Notice that my back is straight. I'm not overdoing it. I definitely feel my hamstrings pulling, but there's no pain. If you feel any pain, I want you to come up a little bit more and keep your hands here. If this is where you are today, that's all right. Because each day you're going to practice. You might be able to come down just a little bit more and then a little bit more. Okay, notice my feet are also flexed. I want you to see that. My feet are flexed. So always keeping your feet flexed. So let's try again. So we want to inhale and exhale, coming forward just a little bit more. So maybe you're like, well, I'm past the blanket. I can get my elbows to the ground and still keep my back straight. That's awesome. So maybe you're going to stay here for 3 breaths. Make sure you're ready for it. inhale, and then exhale, and use your hands to come back up. So again, you really want to focus on keeping yourself balanced, using core strength, not your back. So notice, my back is completely flush. There's no arching, there's no bringing my shoulders like this or hunching. That's how you injure yourself. So let's do this again. So inhale and exhale. I'm going to walk my hands out, coming forward just a little bit more. So maybe I have my wrists all the way down. I'm bending my elbows and I'm leading with the chest, bringing it forward. Maybe I'm ready to stretch the arms all the way forward or maybe out to the side, whatever feels good. Inhale and exhale, come forward a little bit more. If you're here and you can bring your chest and your tummy to the ground, be careful. So you could turn your head to the side or forehead to the floor. As long as the neck and shoulders are relaxed, inhale, coming up using the hands, and exhale. All right, let's do it again. Inhale and exhale. So this time I'm going to bring my hands out to the side because that's most comfortable for me. But remember, your hands can be forward, keeping that back nice and straight, using that core strength and breath to bring you forward. So inhale and exhale, coming forward just a little bit more. Inhale and exhale. Keep breathing here. Inhale one more time. And exhale as you come up. You're going to slowly come out of that pose and come into a simple cross-legged pose. So again, hopefully you have the fundamentals now to do that wide angle forward fold, taking your time, doing a little bit more each day. Thank you for joining me. Namaste.